Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks for navigating the world of YouTube. In today's video, we'll show you how to change your YouTube channel name on your PC. So, let's get started. Step 1. First, open YouTube on your PC. Step 2. Next, locate the guide icon, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines. It's usually found in the top left corner of the screen. Click on it to open the menu, and then sign into YouTube Studio using your Google account credentials. Step 3. Once you're signed in, you'll see a left-hand menu. Look for the Customization option and click on it. This will take you to the customization settings for your channel. Step 4. Within the Customization menu, you'll find various options. Click on Basic Info to access the section where you can change your channel name. Step 5. Now it's time to enter your new channel name. Step 6. Finally, click on the Publish button to save your changes. Remember, you can only change your channel name twice within a 14-day period. Additionally, it's important to note that changing your name will remove your verification badge, if you have one. And that's it for today's tutorial on how to change your YouTube channel name on your PC. We hope you found this information helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.